guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see what's in this month's cloth and paper subscription box, please keep on watching. That time of the month again, doing my cloth and paper subscription box unboxing. So yeah, let's get right into it. So you guys know I subscribe to the cloth and paper box. I get both the Penspiration and also the stationery box all in one package. So we're going to be going through both, and as per usual, I will be doing the Penspiration last. So over here we have this new sort of photo type of thing. It's a thank you card from Ashley. Very cool with a discount code and everything. Very nice. Over here we have the Penspiration test sheet. Again, it's like a new one. Very cute. This is different from the ones in previous boxes as well. And then sticker. Let's just open it up. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my gosh, look how exciting. Look at all of these. Amazing. Okay, let's just put the Penspiration aside first. First off, I just want to say it's cool that this one's in brown, this nude brown. Every month it has been a clear one, so it's interesting that they switched it up. But oh my gosh, look how cute everything is. You got these monthly cards, and very cute, all the months with the 3 priorities. This is the same type of design that's in their, let me just show you guys, in their weekly spread. Let me just find one. They have this kind of thing going on, so I guess they replicated that same design and they just put them in cards. So this is super cute. I can attach this onto any planner using an ollie clip if I haven't been using a certain cloth and paper insert. I can use this instead, and this is really a good size for any small planner, such as a pocket planner. This would fit perfectly in there, or even bigger planners as like an accent thing for the month to month, so you don't have to draw in your months if you use notebooks and stuff. Very cute. I love it. It's like in a stiff cardboard as well. Feels really nice. Next up, oh my god, I was so excited when I just opened the subscription box to see this. It has, these are sticky notes and they're colored. This one has no writing on them, and then this one has inbox, top 3, AM, PM, appointment. Very, very cute. I love these. I actually have the white ones. Let me show you guys really quickly. So I actually have the gold foil ones, which you can get in their regular line, priority to buy, to do, read, call. So these are from their regular line, and I love just sticking them. The sticky side is over here. I love sticking them in my planner and having this stick out on the side of the planner so I can just flip to the certain page. But I love these. These are in their regular line. You can also use my code for this month, Wong. Feb, F-E-B, for 10% off if you're looking to buy the gold foil ones. But super, super cute. I love these. So love that they came out with ones that are in colored. Super pretty, super cute. There's a pink one that has blank tabs, which is really helpful because you can write in your own thing. So very, very cute, very chic. Next up, this is kind of interesting. This is a journaling card, and it seems like it is some type of habit tracker or an appointment tracker. I'm just gonna, and this is what it looks like. It's just a really cute journaling card, perfect journaling card size. Like there's these check boxes. It says Sunday to Saturday, the date, and then it has like all the months, so you can just circle whatever it is or write in the date, and then you can write in your to-dos. Very cute. It's a very interesting design. You also get it in the gray as well, so that's cute. Next thing we're getting is a Today Vellum. That is really, really cute. This is A5 size, and it is just like a stick out thing. Like the whole thing is a tab, so this would be elevated in your agenda to the today. So if you don't have a bookmark or anything, this is really helpful for that. So really, really cute. The next thing, oh, this is cute as well. This is a 2020 dashboard. Really chic, really pretty as well. Very nice. Oh, and then you get another dashboard that just says 2020, all in black. Very nice as well. And then another one that says 2020. So you can definitely have this in multiple different agendas if you have several A5 agendas. Very cute. You are not short of any dashboards. Then you have these memo pages. Very simple, very chic. It just says memo on the top. It's a blank sheet of paper. This is very nice. This is like a standard sort of insert that you can use anywhere, basically. Very cute. And then you get this paper pad. I love paper pads. This is so pretty. The quality is so-so. The paper is a little bit on the thin side, but I do like that it's not too high quality because this won't prevent me from using it. It's kind of similar to their other notepads. I love notepads, and this is really great. The setup is really cute too. It just says today, the date. You can circle what day of the week it is, priorities, notes, and then schedule. Very, very cute. This is great if you just need to get something done really quickly and you don't have time to plan in your planners. This is just like a really focused notepad. Really cute. Love that. All in all, for the stationery box this month, really, really impressed. Let me just put the box away. So all in all, this box, definitely love it this month. Everything I feel like you can use. The things that I'm most excited about are definitely the sticky notes, because I'm just like a hoarder when it comes to sticky notes. And then I really, really love these. These two, I don't really know exactly how I would incorporate it in my own personal system, but I do like that I have these. So that's cute. So yeah, that's that. Let's move on to the Penspiration box. This month they did give us a Penspiration test sheet. We're gonna go ahead and use that. I'm just gonna open up this Penspiration box and dump everything out. Very cute little brown envelope. Over here, what do we have? Oh my gosh, is this a whiteout? No, it's a pencil eraser. Very cool. Okay, so it seems like we got a mechanical pencil eraser. So I'm just gonna open it up. It's by Kokoyo, which is a really, really popular Japanese brand. So it comes with a spare rubber. And then here is the pen itself, and it seems like one of those X-Acto knife type ones. Yes, exactly. So you just push up like this, and then you can rub out your pencil. Oh my god, super chic. This is so cute and so pretty. It says pastel cookie on it, pencil eraser. Super, super cute. I love this. So chic. And then you get the extra rubber. So I'm just gonna put this back in the original packaging because I don't really have anything to erase at the moment, and I just want to keep everything intact. And the nice thing about Japanese packaging is that you can easily repackage them back into their original packaging. It's not like American packaging where everything is like sealed up, like the plastic, once you open it you can't put it back in. Like you can seal things up if it's not the right match for you, or if you want to save it for later. So here it is, sealed back up. I'm going to put this to the side. Very cool. Okay, so it seems like we get lead this month, so I'm assuming we're going to get a pencil. Yes, seems like we're getting a lead pencil over here. The lead's already in it. I love this. It's very slim. I like the texture of it. It has like sort of a velvety coating on it. I love the color. I love how thin it is. If you see, let me get like another standard size pen. Here's like a Muji pen that most people have access to, so you can compare the size. It's really, really slim and long. I love it. It's really, really pretty. Does it come with a rubber? No, so it doesn't come with a rubber top, so that makes sense because they gave you this little eraser, so I'm guessing that's like the concept that they were going for. And then you get your refill in lead. Very cute. So let's just try out the pencil. What is this one called? Let's see. This is the Shiming. So that's the Shiming pencil. Very cute. It's just a standard pencil, nothing too crazy, but I love it. It's really nice. It's really smooth. And I do like writing in pencils in some of my agendas, so this is really useful. I will definitely be putting this in my everyday carry, which, let me show you guys what my everyday carry looks like. You guys, this is the pencil case that I like to use. It's like a little cat. And I just have some of my favorite pens in here, and it just slides down and you can like stick things in here. So I'm just gonna add this pencil to the bunch. I'm gonna take out this pen, but yeah, very cute. I'm gonna add that to my everyday carry. Moving on, it seems like we have a highlighter. This is the Sentai soft highlighter. So soft, I'm guessing this is a pastel highlighter. Very cute. It's really saturated. It really reminds me of the mild liner a little bit, but it's a little bit more jewel toned. Let me just show you the mild liner I'm talking about. I have this mild liner, and it's also like a bluish color, and it's very, very similar. Let's show you guys. So the mild liner is definitely a little bit more dull and gray, and then this one is a little bit more bright. So I actually prefer this one. It's like a little bit more happy. It's not dual-ended. It's just a standard highlighter. Really cute. Nice to have to the collection. Oh, then we have another one of these pens. These are the Motomete Plus pens. Let's test this out. We get Motomete in almost every single box, I feel like. and this one is the gray one. Very, very cute, very, very pretty. If you saw my last unboxing, you would have known that we also received the brown one. So I'm starting to get a bit of a collection of these accent pens, but very cute. Love that. Finally, we have this pen right here. It's a green shade. Not sure what the ink color is, but this one is called Eyeshadow from that same brand. It seems like it is a needle point pen with a grip, which is nice. So let me try this out. A-I-H-A-O. Yeah, and it's in 0.5. Very nice, very standard. Since this is a black pen, we are going to be doing a highlighter test. Let's just use the highlighter that came with the kit. I'm just going to do some lines. And then we're going to try to see if there is a smudge test. Well, it doesn't really smudge too bad, so that's kind of nice. And then we're going to try the highlighter test to see if it smudges. And yeah, it smudges. So this is like a smudgy pen. I don't really mind though. It's still fine. It's really inky. I'll just have to take note and not use this with highlighters. I will use it just by itself. So that's that. That is what's in this month's Penspiration box. And also, if you saw the first portion of the video, that is also, these are all the things from the subscription of the stationery box. So really, really cute. I love everything that we got this month. Definitely feel like it's worth the price. I am subscribed to the 6-month box, so I am paying a little bit less than people who are just subscribing month to month. So for me, I feel like I got my money's worth this month again. So I'm really happy. That's kind of how I gauge whether or not the box is good, is whether I feel like it's worth the money month to month, and I definitely feel like it is. So yeah, really happy. Most excited about these sticky notes. I love these. I have them in the gold foil, as I said previously in the beginning of this video, and those are in their regular line, and you can get them just off their website anytime. And I love them. They're super useful. They stick out like this. You can write obviously vertically like this and just have this stick out on whatever your page is, so you can just flip to that page. Really, really nice. And if you guys decide to get the gold ones, definitely use my code for 10% off. And my code varies month to month, so just check my IG or my videos for updates. So each month is like J Wong, and then whatever the month is. So really, really cute. Love this. So fashionable, so chic. So I'm just gonna put that aside as well. So yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.